Howdy folks, just thought I'd share a selfie with you to show how excited I am to narrate this video. Anyways, it's been a while, so I will try to pick up where I left off. Here's the mainly turbo tough I-beams, CP Carrillo pistons with upgraded wrist pins through forced induction pros. Sam was very helpful, answering all my questions. Really good guys down there. Here's the torque plate rental that's available from barraswap.com. I also bought a lot of my other engine parts from them, and Jason was always quick to answer any of my questions. Here you can see all the 8-cylinder reindeer laughing at the 6-cylinder kangaroo's red nose. Here's the main studs I got from Atomic. When I found out the machine shop needed the studs to do the line boring, I realized ARP wasn't going to produce them in time. Back order date got pushed all the way back into 2022, so I contacted Brad, and he was very helpful and got me these studs in literally a few days. Another one who's been a big help with engine specific questions I've had. So in the meantime, while my engine was at the machine shop, when I wasn't working overtime, I did some other work on this F-150 for my wife. 5.4 3-valve classic cracked manifolds, took care of that, and then tore into my first automatic transmission. Big thank you to Mr. Williams videos on the Transmission Bench YouTube channel, because without those videos I would have had a hard time putting it all back together. Had a lot of damage, as you can see. I've also been trying to learn TIG welding so I can use it on the car. My brother has had a few motorcycle projects for me to practice, like this battery box we made, and here's my first attempt at a aluminum pie cut. I won't show you the inside radius. Alright, back to the Barra. As you can see, this engine was very stained from the oil, and it has been quite the chore properly cleaning it. Mainly the valve cover and oil pan were the worst of it. Here's the oil pan I finally painted. And here's this stupid fuse box I'm retaining. I finally fixed it up a lot sturdier and farther away from the tire. Not sure what I was thinking originally. Yes, I installed this massive treadstone intercooler and a front bumper support that's a lot smaller, made of R8 Docal, I believe. Line lock and some fancy brake line bends. You can go back a few videos to see the engine bay painting progression. And here it is, Fueltech 550. A little change of plans, but for a few good reasons I may get into later. So far the guys at Fueltech have been very helpful when I've had questions on wiring and other products I need to buy yet. Here's a Spark Pro and dual power driver for the E-gate. Here I will demonstrate how easy it was to put this Fueltech into my dash thanks to Reversion Raceworks. I was introduced to them thanks to a Sloppy Mechanics video, and I contacted them with what I had, sent them this picture, and they pretty much took care of the rest. As you can see, it turned out great. Nice and sturdy, and a perfect fit, really. This only took all day, but Fueltech. All this goes straight out to the engine. 12 volt feeds, from relays. Then this and all these go to other stuff inside the car. Oh, so check out this meal my wife made me the day I spent like 16 hours working on wiring. I've got it made. Here's the first key on of the Fueltech. Very exciting. Here's what I can do until I get the engine back in the car. That there is the battery box, and behind it is more wires than you'd like to see. And after that section of wiring was done, and I didn't have the engine back yet, I was starting to get bored, so I thought I'd try to throw together a 4.6 liter out of spare parts in the garage. But finally, the day come that I could go pick up my stuff from the machine shop. And here it is. The guys at BES did a great job. Would you just look at it? Just look at it. Just so nice. And here's a cylinder head, base stainless valves and valve springs and all that kind of stuff. And here's where I'm at currently with it. I painted it all and started assembling and double checking clearances, so next video should be some clips of assembly. Thanks for watching.